Today we're going to review the Zhiyun X100 RGB. Great light for any type of video you might possibly need. Hello guys, welcome to a new video, new review, but also some updates from my side. First of all, I will be at the IBC conference in Amsterdam this September, next week, from the 12th to the 15th of September 2025 in the Zhiyun stand. I will be representing the brand. We will be launching new products, and also I will work on a workshop in terms of lighting using the Zhiyun lights. So if you're around, pop by, say hello. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's dive into this amazing thing. What is it? It's like a cannon. It's the Zhiyun X100 RGB. All the links for the light are in the description with a 10% discount code. Go and check it out. 100 watts light, cob light. It comes in a pound-sized body. It delivers CCT, RGB. It comes with different accessories. It has excellent color accuracy and equipped with this new reflector, which is like a Fresnel lens. You actually can compare it to a 300-500 watts light. I love the versatility of this brand, and I have to say this video is sponsored by Zhiyun. Said that it's not going to stop me from saying the negatives, the cons, what I like, what I don't like about the product. Let's start with some unboxing. It comes in two packages, the standard and the pro. I'm going to show you the pro. The standard basically just comes with the light, the mini reflector. Again, it works like a Fresnel lens for your light, and the power cable. Price £289, British pound. In the Pro combo, you will get, of course, the X100 RGB, the Fresnel lens or reflector, tiny barn doors for your light, magnetic. And here, guys, if you had the 5-ray M20C, it actually came with the same barn doors, but also you had different attachments, like an extra softbox and a grid as well. So make sure you use them if you own this light. You will get the grip battery right there. We're going to talk about this as well. It all comes in this lovely carry case, lovely texture right there. You will get a Bowen's mount adapter, because the one you have on the light is not actually Bowen's. So you get this adapter for your Bowen's soft boxes and diffusers, and you will actually get a soft box. This is the 40D, 40 centimeters, lovely stuff. It will come with 2 layers of diffusion and also a grid. This package I just mentioned comes at the price of 479 British pound. Let's get into the body and build, and also the dimensions and weight. It's very portable, very thin. As you can see right there, again, it's palm-sized, guys. I love this stuff for my type of work. My light comes in an army kind of green, quite dark. Nice texture there. At the back, we have actually, it's like a leather texture. That's what it feels like. It feels really professional. I really like it, to be fair. The buttons feel a bit plasticky as in any other light, but again, nothing to really complain there. The mount is the ZY mount. Here we don't have any lock, actually. Dimensions and weight, then the light itself measures 144.5 millimeters by 94 by 3.6 actually here, which is the thickest part of your light of the body. Weight 384 grams. All right. We are getting into another interesting part of the video, power options. Of course, we have the DC adapter, but also we have the battery grip. The battery grip can be attached to the side of your light or the body of the light. You need to remove the silicone door, which is a pain there, right? So maybe something that can be improved, guys, from Zhiyun, because it's really annoying. And you simply attach your battery. And now we are powering on the light. Woohoo. Great addition, again, if you're filming outdoors, you don't have cables, stuff like that. Now this battery will last at full power more or less 30 minutes. The previous version, which was the X100, the battery had some issues. I had 2 of those units. They didn't work really well. So I hope this is going to improve, and we might need to review the item after a few months of use. So even if you guys purchase one and use the battery, let me know in the comment tab what's going on. Yeah, keep the community informed. I mean, how portable is this, right? If you have something like that, now we're talking. The battery also is going to work as a power bank for any other device. If we check the light here, the USB-C here port is working as an input, but also as an output. Check this out. I connect my phone here. There you go. Look at that guy as well. But it's charging my phone. This guy is Macho Man, one of the greatest wrestlers from the 80s and 90s. Love it. Yeah, there you go. Look at this thing. It's amazing. So portable. You've got everything right there. If you want to use it as a more as a spotlight or like a fill light, hair light. Let's talk about the modes of the light. We got 2 dials here, and we can change the modes just by pressing the bottom one, okay? So, of course, the light we said is CCT, meaning correlated color temperature. So you can change the temperature of the light from a warmer temperature to cooler, okay? And we can go, I show you right there, from 2500, which is warmer, up to 10,000, all the way there as a bluish cooler temperature. You can also alterate the green and magenta of the CCT. If we press it again, so we select and we go to HSI, hue saturation intensity, so we can literally select any color. We can change the hue. We just scroll through, you've got the 360 degrees colors and the saturation as well right there. If we press again, we go to RGB, very similar, so you play with the red, green and blue. And also we've got effects. Here, guys, we've got 18 RGB effects, so you can change the colors of them, and 12 scene modes already set up for you. You can change, of course, the effect itself, but also the dim and the speed of them, and the color temperature. And also you've got the music mode in case you want to yo, boom, boom, cha, boom, boom, cha, boom, cha, boom, boom, cha. You want to play some music and use your light accompanying that music. Whoo, that's great. I never used it. Controlling options, of course, we've just checked the dials here on the light itself. Once again, you select with one and then you can scroll with the other one and adjust all the settings. That's one mode, but you also can download the ZY Vega app. You simply connect your light via Bluetooth, and now you can create a new set of lights, so you can control different lights at the same time. And when you go in there, you can change the temperature, the brightness, of course, but also you can go in the color mode. There at the bottom, you've got this color wheel. You can simply use your finger to choose the color you want. We're going to talk about some extras. We're going to talk about this amazing thing. This is a spotlight adapter. Basically, it narrows down the beam of light and you can use it as a spotlight. One of those theater, you know, if you want to use it as hair light again, as rim light, great. But also you can create textures for your background. And you've got actually some blades here, some doors. By moving these doors, you will be reducing or adding or increasing the amount of light going through your lens. You can see it moving there, right? I show you in the background. You literally can create textures. You look at that. It actually comes with some tiny filters, textures that you can insert inside your lens. We put our filter in there. The lens has actually a focus ring. So you want to move your ring until the image gets into focus. And we're gonna find it. It's coming. It's coming. Wow. Look at that. Right? So you can create that window effect at the back of your videos. Of course, you can change the temperature, all that jazz. We've got 10 different filters inside that case. What I'm gonna do next, guys, is to put the softbox on. We're gonna use the light as a key light and see how it goes. I'm gonna give you maybe 3 or 4 different settings so you understand how the softbox works as well. First of all, I'm recording at 24 frames per second, shutter speed 1/48 of a second. Grid is on. Power of the light, 8% at the moment. That's what you get. Let's go to 100% just for you to understand how powerful this light is. All right. Same again here, 8% of power. Only 2 layers of diffusion, no grid. Light with only 1 layer of diffusion at 4% of power at the moment. Of course, the shadows, I mean, everything is getting harsher here. So I wouldn't use it for this purpose, but it's very powerful. Okie dokie, no diffusion layers, just the silver reflector here, light at 3.5%. Let's go to 100% and see what happens. Okay, I can't even look in camera. Alrighty, we got to the conclusion of the video. First of all, I want to know your feedback. Drop it down here. Let's talk about the pros. I love the portability of these lights, the versatility as well, the amount of accessories that you can also find on the Zhiyun website, not just the one I showed you. So it's much more there, and also with the adapter, the mount adapter, Bowens, you can use your own soft boxes. Power is great. Again, it's 100 watts, but you can actually push it with the Fresnel lens. It's portable. You've got a battery pack, so if you need to shoot quickly something outdoors, you can. You can literally use the softbox. It's such a compact and light kit. It's amazing. Color accuracy is great. You've got RGB, CCT, all the modes you want, some effects. If you want to reproduce some cinematography, some showreel, some acting stuff, you can use that. If you get the spotlight, you can also recreate some effects here for your YouTube videos or, again, cinematography. The cons are, for me, the battery life, which again didn't work in the previous version, so I hope it's going to work here. 30 minutes, yeah, you might need to get a few batteries, and probably just the battery it might be £100, so you know it could be expensive. About the softbox, guys, to me, the 40 is a tiny bit too small, at least for faces, you know, for humans. For product photography and videography could work, but I think the 60 centimeters is the good spot. And I tell you why. I think the two diffusion layers are too close to each other to actually diffuse the light properly, so the light gets a bit harsh on the faces. I'm using one right now as well, and when you use the 90 centimeters or 120 centimeters, you can see the difference. The shadows are spreading, you know, they're kind of blending in a better way. Of course, I love the portability of this, so if you are on a run and gun kind of shoot or interviews, or you need to travel far, it's great, great stuff. But if I had to choose, I would go for a 60 centimeters for my YouTube videos and interviews as well. Also, the 40 might not be enough to actually light up a full body, so you want to have something a bit bigger. Overall, powerful, tiny light here that can be with you. You can, again, pack 4 in a bag with the soft boxes as well, some of the accessories, and create your content on the go, even traveling. What I have to say, I thank Zhiyun to send this light. More stuff coming after the IBC. We're going to launch a few products, so those reviews are coming, and I advise you to subscribe because one of them in particular is very interesting. I hope you're going to visit, pop by the stand if you're there. We're going to say hi to each other and meet up in real life finally. All right, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.